caught you. Yes, you. Oh, you know I'm talking to you. What were you doing in here? And where were you last week? Saturday night.
What's going on over here? Are you guys feeding the goats? How's Hey Hey doing? Hi Hey Hey, how are you? Kua? I thought he was Hey Hey like 5 minutes ago. Not yet. I gotta film them doing this. Oh, indigestion?
Turtle is coming!
Hi, Mr. Tortoise.
I think
Can you take a picture of him? It's filming right now. Wow, he's big, huh?
The pieces!
Look at his beautiful eyes.
Hey, can I name this one?
Sure, what's his name?
Moana.
That's Moana the goat? Hi Moana, here, you want to have some finger for lunch?
Now he's shapeshifted, then we got him when we see Hero Man. Because he's a boy, that's what his name is going to be.
Maui shapeshifter what?
Maui shapeshifted, then we got him when we see Hero Man.
Wow, that's a lot to have memorized.
Men and women. Men and women.
Oh, okay. What is that? I see, is that a little baby goat? Do goats make that sound? What sound does a goat make? He licked you? Whoa, look at the ponies over there. Let's go check them out. Go, go, go. Let's check it out. Hey, what are look at these chickens. Wow, look at that big old pig. Is that Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Be careful, that's kind of big, baby. I don't want him to eat your finger off.
Oh, look at me. Oh, I'm just a big cow.
Why is there bugs on his legs? Why is there flies on his
Because that's the downside about being a cow. That's why I never wanted to be a cow. Because the flies always fly around you and they irritate you and annoy you. That's why when God asked me what I wanted to be, I said, you know what? I want to be a human. I don't want to be a cow. Because I was a cow one time and it was super annoying.
Hazel, it's so yummy. Hi, what's your name?
¿Cómo se dice grande pollo?
Yo soy un grande pollo. Aquí. Yo soy grande pollo. Aquí.
What do you mean, Yucky? I'm the big chicken. Look at them all. They know what's up. They know who their leader is. What's that way? It's a big cow, you're right. Good job.
How you doing, buddy? What's going on? Are we deep in thought over there? Yeah, you know, I could refer you to a good dentist if you like. Yeah, those chompers are looking a little uneven there, buddy. Yeah, I might need some work done on those. I'm just saying. Not trying to be rude. Yeah. Don't spit at me or anything. I know you're a llama, but... Hey, are you ignoring me? Over here. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you, llama. I'm talking to you. Hey, llama. Look over here. Oh, if you spit at the camera, I'd give anything. Just turn around and spit right in my face. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Yeah. Oh, hey, how's it going? Hi, I'm a llama. Yes, I'm a llama. Hi, I'm a llama. Hi, I'm a llama. I'm a llama. Hi. I am Larry the llama. Caught you. Yes, you. Oh, you know I'm talking to you. What were you doing in here? And where were you last week? Saturday night. I know it was you, llama. Oh, I know it was you. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Look at me, you sorry.
He said, let me get some. All right, we're almost out, guys. I think they like these little flowers. All right, babies. We'll see you later. Tell them bye, baby.
They're like vacuum cleaners.
They're like vacuum cleaners.